team of Bullet, you beauty. ഹർഷാരവങ്ങൾ ഒന്നൊന്നായി മുഴക്കാം നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഗ്രൗണ്ടിൽ നിന്നും. മാൻ ഓഫ് ദി മാച്ച് പുരസ്കാരം നിസ്സംശയം പറയാം കാണികൾ ഒന്നടങ്കം എഴുന്നേറ്റ് നിന്ന് പറയുന്നതാകും. KP Krishna Prasad welcoming him to receive the man of the match award of this match. പേസ് എറിയുന്ന താരമെത്തുകയാണ് അവിടെ മുജീബ് പട്ടാമ്പി. ബാറ്റിംഗ് എൻഡിൽ കേരളത്തിൽ ഏറ്റവും വലിയ സിക്സറുകൾ അടിക്കുന്ന ഓഷൻ ബാറ്റ്സ്മാനെ തോളോട് തോൾ ചേർന്ന് വെല്ലുവിളിക്കാൻ കെൽപ്പുള്ളവൻ ശ്രീഷ് ലാലു. Oh my goodness, what a pace that! ഏറ്റവും രായമംഗലം Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! That is a misfield and going all the way to the boundary. Oh my goodness! That is a great kind of a delivery, and the fingers are up from the umpire. Bipin Tasine മടക്കുകയാണവൻ മുജീബ് പട്ടാമ്പി. എക്സ്പ്രസ് കണക്കെ പന്തറിയുന്ന പാലക്കാടിന്റെ കേരളക്കരയ്ക്ക് പാലക്കാടിന്റെ സംഭാവനയായി മാറിയിട്ടുള്ള ബൗളർ. മുജീബ് തന്റെ ക്വാളിറ്റി രായമംഗലത്തിന്റെ മൈതാനത്ത് എറിഞ്ഞ് ടച്ച് കൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ്. Oh my goodness, Manish Madhavan couldn't capitalize that one. Mr. Abhishek 96. First ball, that is in no man's land, technical place. It's up in the air and Peter picks it up. Not a man down. Here he comes only into the batting department. Not a beauty of it. Oh my goodness, it is chance I couldn't top edge one, but the fielder, the wicket keeper couldn't capitalize. It's a grounded ball onto the hands of Tanesh, cuts it out brilliantly and getting another single. A single out of the over a good over. High minus this side of Sunday. Shanko Palapuri shut the mic under. Another one this time up in the skies. Boundary വരയ്ക്ക് പുറത്തോട്ടൊരു ചുംബനമായി നൽകിക്കൊണ്ട് കഴിഞ്ഞ ഓവറിൽ Oh my goodness, that is very well defended. മോശം പന്തുകളെ കണക്കിന് പ്രഹരിക്കുക നല്ല Oh what a shot, that is a typical kind of a boundary coming on from the blade of Slish Lalu. Oh my goodness, swing and a miss there. That is the. Oh my goodness, it's one single taken and Srish Lalu is like to keep the strike here. Over and the pacey gun is coming on here. Cheap. Thank you so much, says the batter. Started to fire his guns, fire his blades here. Oh my goodness, that is a loose delivery, but couldn't capitalize. Oh my goodness, what a hit! That is a power kind of a power packed shot to the covers, Rusian. Srish Lalu in the quality. That is a lovely kind of. Another lovely kind of a delivery from Muchi Patapi. Oh my goodness! That is the end of the over number 4. Oh my goodness, that is round 1 pounds to the boundary. Mishinamai Lalu. Oh my goodness, that is a great kind of a delivery. Oh, look at the shot, but there is no room for the fielder. Another one this time under the hands of the fielder, but he couldn't stop that one. With the and this time, no mercy from the batter, Srish Lal. That goes over the runner for a few seats. But now, a little expensive, and now it's more expensive from the bowler. And it moves to 49 for Srish Lal. The score moves to the final over. That's a beautiful. That's down the left side. It's a juicy length from the bowler. ഈ ഇങ്ങനെയൊരു അനന്തരവനെ പ്രതീക്ഷിച്ചിരുന്നില്ല എങ്കിൽ പക്ഷേ താൻ തയ്യാറാണ് ഏത് യുദ്ധം നടന്നു കഴിഞ്ഞാലുമെന്ന്. That's a beautiful pace of delivery from the bowler. The good comeback from Manus. And this time straight to the fielder. Searching for the second run. As the batters just that's up in the air. Fielder, wicket keeper coming in with the ball, and he takes the catch. And big man. Quarterfinal number 2. The second innings, the first innings, they scored almost somewhere. The ball. That's a fast ball up in the air, landed safely and goes for a boundary from the plate of Arundel. And this time the batter plays up in the air. I'm not sure if that time he misses it completely. He missed that ball. And this time it's going like a firecracker for Arundel. It's a flat pitch over. And this is the very. And this is welcoming and welcoming from Arundel. And goes for another boundary. And that's pressure up in the air. And this time, fielder takes the catch nicely and the early strike official Karbara if he is in this team, that team would be in some sort of lefty. And this time, it's flat and handsome from the batter, Rabi Palakad. That's a smart pace of delivery from Vivindas, but no mercy from Rabi Palakad.
Yes, that's again a beautiful comeback. And this time that should have been stopped. R45. The fielder misses it and very lazy from the fielder. You are chasing it. Waiting for umpire signal and umpire out with the Kumakaisa. Yes, it's clear and convinced decision from the umpire. That's a quality piece of delivery from the bowler. Vipin Das. For a corner carry, Cricketer is down the left side onto the pass. He gets off the mark with a single. Yes, here back in action, that is Jaishul Karbala. As that's up in the air, landed safely. Straight to the fielder. This time Jaishul Karbala couldn't connect it perfect. That's up in the air. And Manish Madhavan, he departs back to the pavilion. Back-to-back strikes from Vipin Das, the captain. That is what the players are expecting from their players. The manager is... And Srish Lal against Jaishul Karbala. And coming down the track, it's a dot ball to start off that innings. It's a beautiful pace of delivery. And this time a beautiful pace of slower delivery from Srish Lal again. As it's Danish, then another handy cricketer into the middle. Yes, Anuvadikimilla, hitting an Aitullah. Pandukal Anuvadikimilla Srish Lal. He's showing his experience for his team. And this time again a beautiful delivery and a beautiful touch. And this time a short pitch, but couldn't capitalize. Goes for it. Nana Berger. That's again coming down the track. Couldn't. Here we go. And this time that is it. This man is going for Jaishul Karbala. That's again down the left side, searching for the second round. And couldn't capitalize. And that's up in the air. And he makes the pass. That's a kind of revenge from... And straight away he gets off the mark. It's a beautiful fielder by the fielder Akshay Patani. And it's a boundary. The fielder is not a bowling control. That is what the presence of mind. Yes, this time Mujib has been top of the fielders. Now the and just a way to break the shackles. One more to go. And Ashik, no fielder landed safely, but straight to the man. As one more to go. As here, that is Ashik against Gigi. That's up in the air. The fielder couldn't stop. It goes for a boundary. Ashik. And that's up in the air. Fielder coming underneath the ball. He settled down for... Yes, beautiful pick up from Danish, but very well fielded by the fielder. That's a beautiful piece of presence of mind from the fielder. Yes, they're searching for the second run, but still he has stopped that ball very nicely. But Anavisha fed into the semi-final. And this time a beautiful pace of change of delivery. And this time Srish Lalu. Boundaries. 8-32. There's a beautiful pace of delivery. It's a and this time again a beautiful execution from Jiju. After the complete. It's a beautiful pace of delivery. Better execution than this execution on his first ball. And this time is a full ball and a no ball call for that middle. What is happening here? That is why earlier I have mentioned about cricket teachers who some free hit for the batter. And this time, again a beautiful pace of shot to the next cover reason as you do beauty. The manager, the captain, all backing himself as a player. And he says, thank you so much to the bowler and into the commentary box for a huge 6 over runners. And a beautiful pace of cricket from Ashik. He's giving some hope for something special. And here yes, that is straight to the fielder. They're not taking that single, yes. 2 sixes needed. And that is the juicy full toss, but it's for a boundary, yes. We can see some kind of expression from the 8 runs. That's a perfect execution from him. He's just holding his nerves. And it's congratulations. Tala uyarthikondu Ashik and the team.